I wasn't feeling my hair at all. But just wait for the transformation. These curls never miss. I am showing you the easiest way to curl your hair, and I love it. First, I brush through my hair to make sure it's tangle free. Then I part my hair. This helps me place the curls in the right direction and gives the whole look more structure. Heat protection is a must. I always add a little bit before using any hot tools. I brush through again to evenly distribute the product. We will section the hair in two parts, top and bottom, by using these hair clips. I always start with the lower section. This is the curling wand I'll be using. I prefer the ones without clips. The technique to curl the hair: I take a small strand of hair and wrap it around the curling wand. Once I've curled the strand, I pin it up using a metal clip. This is the secret to long-lasting curls. Don't forget your heat protecting glove, it's a game changer. I literally can't curl my hair without it. Then I move on to the other side and repeat the exact same steps. I always curl the strands away from my face. It lifts the whole look and keeps the curls out of your eyes. As you can see, I hold the curling wand the same way because I want to make sure that all the curls look the same. Once the bottom section is done, I continue with the upper one. I start again from the back and move towards the front. I actually like to curl my hair a few days after washing it. I usually wait 3 days, not only because I don't wash my hair every day, but also it just holds the curl so much better when it's not freshly washed. For the front face framing pieces, I use a plastic clip instead of a metal clip. I prefer a softer curl in the front, so it doesn't bounce up too short and annoy me. I do the exact same thing on the other side. Once the curls are cool, I carefully remove all the clips. You can leave the metal clips in your hair for about 30 minutes. I wouldn't leave them longer. I gently brush through the curls with a wide tooth comb to break them up and make them look more natural. Then I check if everything is evenly curled, and if I need to, I recurl any strands. I personally don't like using hairspray. It makes my hair feel stiff. Instead, I use a bit of hair oil, especially on the ends. Curled hair tends to be a little drier, so the oil helps with shine and moisture. And that's it! Content-ready curls that are soft, bouncy and perfect for any occasion. Whether it's a shoot day, a date night or brunch with the girls, these curls never let me down. Let me know in the comments if you want more hair tutorials, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty content. See you in my next video!